Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about a product from this company here. The name of the company is Atolla. I don't know how to spell it, but this is an A. Now this is the box. It's a product designed by Atolla. It's made in China and it's a 2018 product. So let's open the box. This is a quick start guide. Now this is in English, in German, and also from the back it's in French and in Chinese. Now I'm just gonna open it in English so you guys can pause it and just read it for yourself. Now to the product itself, this is like a hub. Now to the product itself, this is the hub. This is like one of those 8-in-1 hubs. This is Atolla C2 USB-C Docking Station. So basically, let's say this is a dock. I believe from the port here, I believe this is used for mostly laptops. If you have like a MacBook or something similar. Now what I like to do with this device is that this has a Type-C cable here, so it's a connector. This is my Google Pixel 2 XL, and what I like to do is just plug it right in on the Pixel, and yeah, this is the light, meaning that this is connected and turned on and ready to use. This is just like a plug and play stuff. I can use this because this phone does not have an external SD card slot. So what I can do with this hub is that I can use up to 2 micro SD card slots and 3 USB ports. Also here on the back, I don't believe that this is for the phone, but we have like a port to connect to the TV and a port to connect to the internet, but this is for the laptop or for your computer. Now I've printed off some specifications on this device. We have 3 USB 3.0s, 1 SD card slot, 1 4K HDMI connection. Now this supports up to 4K and 30 Hz or 2K with 60 Hz. Also all of the lower resolutions. Now what I just wanted you guys to read this, because if you buy this device you're gonna face an issue that I was practically scared. I believe that this thing was broken because it was getting really hot and you couldn't even touch this because of the heat that was going through here. But after printing this piece of paper, I got the specifications from Atolla website, and look here. Due to the property of rapid heat radiation and transmission of aluminum alloy shell, the surface temperature of the hub is quite high when in operation, which is a normal state, and certainly protects the internal chip. So yeah, now you can read these things yourself. You can also file transfer stuff from this port here. Now, I mean, I just wanted to talk on a second about the material of the stuff, because this feels very premium. I mean, the aluminum shell, it's quite strong. You cannot bend this. I mean, yeah, obviously, you know, you're gonna hurt your fingers if you try to bend it. It's quite strong. Yeah, it's quite strong actually. Quite strong. Now, I will leave some links on the description for you guys, so you can buy this thing yourself. It will cost you around $40 US, probably less. I will try to get a discount for you, but just go in the links on the description. So I will not ask you to subscribe, because I believe that you have already subscribed if you stayed until the end of this video. So I will see you on the next one.